Welcome back to another 12 days of Giftmas project. Today is not exactly an award-winning thing, but this bottle of wine with glass Caddy is a very quick and easy stocking filler, and I've got a link to a free template that you can download yourself. You'll only need a small piece of wood, so I'm hand sawing an offcut from an old piece of furniture. It's just a bit of pine, then I tidied up my cuts on the radial arm saw. Now the key part of this is finding the centre point to drill a hole for your wine bottle. I do recommend a Forstner bit, but I've only got a flat wood drill bit, which I'd start from one end and then continue on the other side. Yep, looking good so far. Now it's time to drill holes for the wine glass slots. I'm using a smaller bit for this and making sure they're symmetrical. Bit of tedious hand sanding, but it needs to be done. Now you could have the slots going from either end, but I decided to go from an angle in opposite directions and cut them out on the bandsaw. Or you could use a jigsaw. More tricky hand sanding. Now it was quite a nice finish, but my flat wood drill bit exposed it a little bit, so I had to belt sand it all. Now I'm rounding the edges, the round over bit in my router. And a classic finish that we do down the woodyard, wood stain, but you could paint it or varnish it. Let me know if you make it, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow in my next one.